Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Study with Ms.Linh, where learning English is simple, friendly, and fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ms.Linh, and today we'll talk about something that everyone loves to chat about, the seasons and the temperature. Cloudy, rainy, sunny.
That's right. Talking about weather isn't just small talk. It's one of the best ways to start a friendly conversation in English.
Exactly, Ryan. You'll learn how to describe the four seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and how to talk about how hot or cold it is.
So if you've ever wondered how to say, it's freezing, or it's warm and sunny today, this lesson is for you.
That's right. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and learn English with me every week. Let's start with spring, the season of new beginnings. You can say, it's warm and fresh. The flowers are blooming. There's a cool breeze in the air.
So, for example, I love spring because the weather is comfortable and the air smells clean.
Perfect. That's a beautiful sentence. Now, let's move to summer. In summer, the weather is usually hot, sunny, and bright. You can say, it's really hot today. The sun is shining. I feel like going to the beach.
That's me every summer. Can I also say it's humid when the air feels wet?
Yes, humid means the air has a lot of moisture. It's sticky and heavy. So you can say, it's hot and humid today.
Got it. That's useful for Vietnam, too.
Next, let's talk about autumn, or fall, as Americans say. The weather becomes cooler and the leaves turn red, orange, and yellow. You can say, it's cool and windy, the leaves are falling, it's my favorite season.
That sounds so peaceful. I love how autumn feels calm and beautiful.
Me too. It's the perfect time for walking in the park or drinking a warm cup of tea. Now, winter. Winter is cold, and sometimes it snows. You can say, it's freezing outside. It's very cold today. It's snowing heavily.
So if I see snow, I can say, look, it's snowing, or I'm freezing.
Exactly. Just don't forget your jacket and scarf. Now, let's learn how to talk about temperature. When it's hot, you can say, it's 35 degrees today. It's really warm outside. It's burning hot. When it's cold, it's 10 degrees below zero. It's chilly today. It's cold enough to snow.
Oh, so chilly means a little cold, right?
Exactly. Chilly is less cold than freezing.
Got it. And we can also say it's mild for nice weather, not hot, not cold.
Perfect, Ryan. You can also describe how you feel. I'm hot. I'm cold. I'm sweating. I'm shivering.
That's so natural. People really talk like that.
Now let's practice a little. Ryan, what's your favorite season and why?
I'd say autumn. The weather is cool, the sky is clear, and everything feels calm.
That's a lovely answer. You can also say, I love summer because I can go swimming. Or, I like spring because everything looks fresh and green.
Or I prefer winter because I love hot drinks and warm blankets.
That's perfect. Describing your favorite season helps you practice adjectives and feelings. That's great English speaking practice. Great work today, everyone. Now you can describe the seasons and temperatures in English, from hot summers to cold winters.
Yes, we learned new words like humid, chilly, and freezing, and practiced how to talk about what we feel in different weather.
Exactly. Try describing today's weather in English and tell us in the comments what's your favorite season and why.
That's a fun homework, Ms.Linh.
Yes. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Study with Miss Lynn. Let's keep learning English together with warmth and sunshine in every lesson.
See you next time.